The mascarpone cheese gives an extra level for your meat sauce. Let's start with onion. Try to make it fine as you can. This dicing onion. This is called guanciale. I want to remove the skin because skin looks like a little bit tough. I cut the guanciale, cured pork, into small dice as well, probably quarter an inch thick or even smaller, and it will become even more smaller when you cook it. Cured pork first, it's called guanciale, into hot pan. Cured pork releases its own fat, and if you think it's too much fat or oil, just remove the excess. Yes, I am removing some of the fat before I add the next ingredient. So now let me tell you what's cooking. This is ground beef. I'm making meat sauce. I added the beef into cured pork and just leave it there for about 2 minutes and don't touch it. It's just like searing the meat basically before we stir it. I'm just putting the meat on the side to make room for the onion. That way the meat will continue browning while the onion is softening. I think that will do. We can add a tomato paste. And now we can stir and mix them all. Paprika. I'm adding chicken stock, but if you like, you can add red wine. You cannot have meat sauce without spaghetti. This is very creamy. This is actually mascarpone. And why not for my meat sauce?